Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. Honorable Chief Minister Sahab, members of the Cabinet, Secretaries to Government of Sindh and leaders of the business community, and definitely our friends at the World Bank, members of press, Assalamu alaikum. It's a gateway to opportunity, efficiency and trust. Heading the investment department, I've witnessed firsthand the challenges businesses face and received numerous complaints about people trying to set up new businesses in navigating fragmented systems and dealing with multiple departments. What we are trying to do is change that, consolidate everything, bring it in one place, and as you rightly said, to reduce the human element as much as possible, ताकि ये सारे processes एक ही जगह से seamlessly हो सकें. And with tracking mechanisms so that you know कि एक दफ़ा आपने किसी license के लिए apply किया है, वो अगर 2-3 दिन के अंदर जो given उसका time frame है, उसके अंदर अगर approvals नहीं आते, तो वो भी flag हो जाते हैं, and then there's mechanisms that we can use to address that. So we address this by integrating services and reducing red tape, creating secure, unified digital interface. Blockchain का आपको बताया गया, तो हमने ये कोशिश की है कि सारा जो भी data हम collect कर रहे हैं, we keep it very, very secure to the highest international standards that are practiced. It helps to build the capacity of line departments as well, because different departments, the way that they've been doing things in the past, अब उस पूरे एलिमेंट को हम डिजिटाइज कर रहे हैं ताकि उसकी रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग भी बेहतर हो, उसका प्रोसेस भी आसान हो और टाइमली हम उसकी मॉनिटरिंग भी कर सकें. Or we have a much broader Sindh investment strategy. We continuously engage with the business community as well, and we would like to do that even more to see some of the challenges that they face. We did a very good program with the IBA University where they worked with us to identify issues that women have, constraints that they have in setting up new businesses or running their businesses. तो इस टाइप की हम collaborations करते रहते हैं to improve things. Local entrepreneurs और international दोनों को ये cater करेगा. Someone can be anywhere in the world, and if they want to apply for a certain license, a certain RNCO, they can use it through this app. While we create a healthier business environment in the province through special economic zones, port access, infrastructure development, it's extremely important to create wholesome ease of doing business. SBOS will play a vital role in supporting this ecosystem. I thank Chief Minister Sahab, I thank you for your support of the secretaries, because multiple secretaries in multiple departments, multiple ministers have been on board in supporting this process and allowing us to work with them ताकि हम उस पूरे को digitize कर सकें. Private sector members बहुत सारे हमने जो input उनसे लिया, उनकी तरफ से भी बहुत ज़्यादा feedback और input positive मिला है. And of course the World Bank, we couldn't do this without your support and help, so we're very grateful for that. अभी वो शजील साहब ने एक बहुत अच्छी recommendation की है कि इसको I think future में जाके we can also link it with I Work for Sindh, because that is a portal that is very widely used by people around the province, और inshallah when we link it तो और ज़्यादा लोगों को इसके बारे में awareness भी मिल सकेगी और इसको इस्तेमाल कर सकेंगे. So at the end, let's continue to build a Sindh that's open for business and ready for the future, inshallah. Thank you so much.